Aldon Smith, a one-time All-Pro selection who recorded 19.5 sacks for the 49ers during the 2012 season, has not played a snap in the NFL since 2015. The following is why. Smith, 28, remains indefinitely suspended by the NFL after a series of legal issues dating back to his second year in the league. Eventual reinstatement seems unlikely, especially after Smith's latest entanglement with trouble. More, Smith reportedly checks into rehab amid domestic violence probe. Smith, sought by police in connection with an alleged domestic violence incident Saturday in San Francisco, reportedly has checked into rehab yet again. The parents of Smith's alleged victim reportedly persuaded him to enter the unidentified rehabilitation facility after the daughter, described as Smith's fiancée, called police and accused him of beating her up. The Raiders released Smith a couple days after the alleged incident. The 7th overall pick in the 2011 NFL Draft, Smith's NFL career began with flashes of brilliance. Multiple arrests and suspensions since have all but ruined Smith's chance to return to the field as an active player. Below is a timeline of the events and incidents that unfortunately have defined Smith's pro career. Aldon Smith timeline: Jan. 29, 2012. Smith is arrested on suspicion of DUI in Miami Beach. The charge eventually is reduced to reckless driving after Smith completes a program for first-time DUI offenders. June 30, 2012. Smith reportedly gets stabbed twice while trying to break up a fight during a party at his home near San Jose, Calif. 2 other people suffer gunshot wounds. September 20, 2013. Smith is involved in a single car accident and is arrested on suspicion of DUI and marijuana possession. He voluntarily enters a rehab facility, and the 49ers place him on indefinite leave. 9/2013, the Santa Clara District Attorney's Office files against Smith 3 felony charges of possession of an assault weapon stemming from the 2012 house party incident. The civil lawsuit accuses Smith of shooting into the air and of owning illegal firearms. October 29, 2013, Smith surrenders to authorities in advance of November 12 court date to face felony weapons charges. October 31, 2013, 49ers activate Smith to the 53-man roster from the non-football injury list 2 days after he turned himself into Santa Clara County authorities as he faces weapons charges. November 12, 2013, Smith pleads not guilty to 3 felony counts of illegal possession of an assault weapon. His next court appearance is scheduled for Jan. 15. April 13, 2014, Smith is arrested and booked for investigation of making a false bomb threat at Los Angeles International Airport. He is into custody after he becoming agitated about being randomly chosen to undergo a second TSA screening. April 18, 2014, ESPN reports the 49ers will suspend Smith to start the 2014 NFL season. May 21, 2014, Smith pleads no contest to 3 felony weapons charges and 2 misdemeanor counts of driving under the influence. Sentencing is set for July 25. July 18, 2014, Smith's sentencing hearing is moved up a week, from July 25 to July 18 because of a family emergency involving the prosecutor. Smith is sentenced to 12 days in jail for the weapons charges and another 12 days for the DUI charges. The sentences are set to run concurrently, with Smith able to serve them by joining a work crew on Mondays. Smith also is sentenced to 3 years probation and 235 hours of community service and is fined about $4,000. He is prohibited from drinking alcohol or being in a liquor store during his probation. The felony weapons charges are reduced to misdemeanors. The judge in the case notes that Smith has no criminal record involving violence. August 29, 2014, NFL suspends Smith for 9 games to start the 2014 NFL season. November 13, 2014, Smith returns to 49ers after 9-game NFL suspension and says he doesn't need alcohol anymore. December 23, 2014, court documents in the Ray McDonald UAL assault case include an allegation that Smith had been drinking at McDonald's home on deck 13. Smith's agent strongly denies that his client was drinking. March 6, 2015, Smith and the 49ers restructure his contract so he will have to earn roster bonuses to reach his maximum salary for 2015. August 7. 2015, Smith is arrested and booked in Santa Clara County, California in an alcohol-related driving case. Police say Smith displayed objective symptoms of being under the influence of an alcoholic beverage. Officers administer a sobriety test to Smith, who is arrested on charges of suspicion of DUI, hit and run and vandalism. August 7, 2015, 49ers release Smith hours after he is arrested on suspicion of DUI, hit and run and vandalism. Sept. 11, 2015, Raiders sign Smith to a one-year contract despite the likelihood of another NFL suspension. 11, 2015, hours after Smith signs with Raiders, the Santa Clara County District Attorney files 3 misdemeanor charges, DUI, hit and run with property damage and vandalism, related to his arrest in August. Smith's arraignment is scheduled for October 6. November 17, 2015, 9 games into the 2015 NFL season, Smith is suspended for 1 year by the NFL for violating the league's substance abuse policy. The Raiders say Smith remains prominently in our long-term plans and we will continue to support this member of our family as he gets the help that he needs. April 4, 2016, Raiders re-sign Smith. July 24, 2016, a Periscope video shows a man and a woman smoking during a fire-up session, and evidence suggests the man in the video might be Smith. July 25, 2016, Smith denies recording fire-up session video. July 29, 2016, Smith reportedly checks into an undisclosed treatment center. October 27, 2016, reportedly out of rehab, Smith requests to be reinstated to the NFL. Dec. 30, 2016, NFL denies Smith's request to be reinstated. January 31, 2017, 49ers sue Smith in an effort to recover more than $300,000. The linebacker owes the team. Under the terms of the NFL's collective bargaining agreement, Smith was ordered to repay $1,186,027 of his original $8.9 million signing bonus after he was suspended for the first 9 games of the 2014 season for violating the league's personal conduct policies. According to documents filed in federal court, Smith repaid the team $844,396.82 between August 2014 and March 2016. But the team still hasn't seen the remaining $341,630.18. 13. 2017, Smith is under investigation by San Francisco police after a possible domestic incident. A police spokeswoman tells the San Francisco Chronicle that Smith has not been arrested and that he and his accuser are cooperating with investigators. March 9, 2017, Smith is detained by police after a car he is riding in strikes a San Francisco police vehicle and injures 2 SFPD officers. Smith's girlfriend, the driver, is arrested on suspicion of DUI. Smith is detained for public intoxication and is expected to be released when he sobers up. Sept. 22, 2017, TMZ reports Smith reached a plea deal in order to drop the DUI charge stemming from the August 2015 arrest. Per TMZ, Smith initially pled not guilty to misdemeanor DUI and hit and run, but now, we've learned he cut a deal with prosecutors in which he pled no contest to hit and run and the DUI charge was dropped. February 21, 2018, Smith asks judge for a reduction in his child support payments. March 4, 2018, San Francisco police say they are seeking Smith after he fled the scene where officers had responded to a domestic violence complaint. The victim says Smith bit her wrists and climbed out her window. According to the Mercury News, a San Francisco dispatcher says Smith had drank 2 bottles of tequila and was possibly heading back to his Oakland residence in his Range Rover. March 4, 2018, as police seek Smith in their investigation of the domestic violence complaint, Smith posts a cryptic photo to his Instagram account, saying, "WTFOH, you all are wrong." It's unclear where the photo of pavement was taken. March 5, 2018, TMZ claims the parents of Smith's alleged victim persuaded him to enter an unidentified rehabilitation facility after the daughter, described as Smith's fiancée, called police and accused him of beating her up. March 5, 2018, the Raiders released Smith.